You know, I've been working on a recipe. Trying to do a new cookie recipe for the holidays. I've been wanting to do an oatmeal cookie. I like oatmeal raisin cookies. I like them to have spice. I've almost got it where I want it. The flavor needs to be tweaked just a little bit more, and then I'm going to do this recipe on video. I've got a really good cookie recipe here. However, that's not what this video's about. Even though I've been enjoying what I produce and enjoying the new methods I've been coming up with to make it happen, there are these moments that just pop up out of the blue. So let me explain. This is about a group of folks. Now these people, these wonderful folks, they are Alberta, Virginia. Okay? That's where these people are. Average, everyday, good old-fashioned Americans just trying to make it on their own devices. All right, of course, this year that's hit so many people hard, hit them hard too. They've been trying to get their product out and sold, and the products that they need to get canning done and things like that haven't been available. They were set up to do canning in mason jars and that kind of stuff, very, very country-esque, and which is a really cool thing to do, and it gives your customer a really neat jar after the fact. But that's beside the point. They haven't been able to get things done, and it's just been one setback after another. And so, you know, when I feel their pain, anyway, they have reached out to me, and I spoke to them, and we've had a building correspondence going on, and it's been over chilies and over what they do, them asking certain questions about dried chilies, and between the two of us sharing knowledge. And so, you know, this is Hank and Louise. These folks are the Kaisers, and they grow chilies, okay? Now, they sent me some chilies, and I already did a video and used those chilies. They sent me a big bag of the most beautiful pimentos, and I have one, you know, sitting aside here drying. Just they're great chilies, okay, and I used them just pan-seared just by themselves, and they were really, really good. A very sweet-tasting chili, but something that is really lacking, I think, in American culture is the use of chilies. And these folks have a really neat answer to some stuff that I've been looking for. I've been hoping, you know, that certain growers, certain producers would start producing more chilies that are lower on the Scoville scale. In other words, not as hot of a chili as what has been grown in the past. We have a lot of folks in the United States that love the taste of bell peppers, but they don't want anything else because it's the heat. They don't want that burning their mouth. Now, I've always loved chilies, and I've known that certain flavors come with a little bit of pain, all right? You can't get the flavor of a poblano without feeling the warmth in your mouth that poblano gives. For most people, it's not that bad, but for a few people, it seems really hot. And each person, it's different. So, you know, the heat scale is sort of subjective to the individual. Well, you know, I digress, okay? We're getting a little off here. Hank and Louise have sent me a bunch of chilies. And now I was just starting to open this, and I stopped. And I said, no, we have to look at this a different way. I want to do an unboxing on video, and I want to do it for these folks. So this is Otis Acres Micro Farm. This is Hank and Louise and Henry Kaiser, okay? So we need to say hello to these folks. If you get the opportunity, you're in that area, definitely go and see these people. They're Alberta, Virginia, the Flat Rock Road. They have a website, and that is Otis Acres Farm, www.otisacres.farm. Okay, simply that. All right, now I'm going to show you this card up close on the video. let's take a look in this box. I've already cut it open, and as I was getting ready to do it, I decided, I'm not giving out my address, I'm giving out theirs. So I just covered mine up. And we're getting on with this. So, come on over. We're going to open it up and look inside. Come on. Now, I mentioned there was a card and that I would put that here for you to take a look at. This is Otis Acres Micro Farm. Peppers mild to wild with every taste, or for every taste, I'm sorry. Hank, Louise, and Henry Kaiser, growers and processors. This is 1290 Flat Rock Road, Alberta, Virginia, 23821. And there's their phone numbers. We've also got an email down here. Their website is www.otisacres.farm. Take a look at that. That's really cool. This is a really neat package that I've received. I looked inside and then just stopped and put it all back together and decided to bring it in here. So this is their coordinates there. They're on the farm Saturday 2 to dusk, Sunday 1 to dusk, or call for an appointment, okay? And that's the way to go on that. Now let's take a look at what they sent. Let's see what they got going on. Some of the products that they had interested me, okay? Uh-oh. Oh dear, look at that. This is a peach ghost pepper. Oh goodness me, now that is just explosive hot right there. I guess if you just want to cook somebody, that would be a neat way to do it. Goodness me, we're gonna there's a lot of stuff here for this unboxing, so I'm gonna pull things out and set it on some baking sheets, and then we'll take a look at all of it together. So there's that one. So before I go any further moving these around and getting them out, let me see if I can get rid of this box top. Okay, let's see here. Now here is that peach ghost. Good grief. That's just downright scary. Here I have this wonderful pepper. And you look at these, they almost look like carrots, don't they? Easy to see how they got their name. Oh, wow. Here, what do we got? Oh, good grief. We have a red and yellow scorpion chilies. It looks like I got one turning a little orange here. These are scary. Okay, I'm going to put them over here with the ghost chilies. The scary group. All right. What do I have here? The Peruvian lemon, I guess that's what that says. I'm hoping that's what that says. If I get these wrong, Hank, Louise, please forgive me. I am god-awful at reading other people's writing. I wish I was better, but I'm just not. Okay, here we go. Yellow Scotch Bonnet. Again, a hot chili. Scotch Bonnet is related to the habanero, okay? And they're, as a general rule, they are hot chilies. Right here, okay, Caribbean. And I can't read the last one. I'm hoping it says red, but I can't swear. It would sure make sense, right? Caribbean red. If they're going to be doing this kind of thing here, this looks really good. I like this packaging. And I can feel that the chilies inside are fresh. Chili packaging is kind of a trick, folks. It really is. And how they're shipped and stuff like that is not something that's just willy-nilly like any other packaging. It is something that has to have the exact right kind of conditions for the chilies to stay fresh long term. And, like, in other words, shelf stable, like grocery store. So what we're seeing here isn't something that normally is done through chilies, but can be done. These type of packaging is perfectly fine. Let me get these moved. The habanada. Now, from what I understand, if I'm correct, this is a habanero pepper that's had the heat removed, and if it is, I am really looking forward to it. So I'm going to be experimenting with this guy very, very soon. Looking forward to that too, because I think that could make a remarkable tasting chili. The habanero has a fabulous flavor, but there's just one problem. It'll scorch your lips off, okay? It's really hot. Now, we got a couple of jars here. Let's see, what is this? Pepper jelly, Caribbean red. some smoked brown pepper jelly. So we got these are fiery heat. This is intense fruity flavor with a fiery heat, so cool looking jellies. I'm impressed, and I'm looking forward to tasting these guys. A little bit scared too, I won't lie to you. I'm not like one of these people that has the mouth that can handle anything super hot. Some people are, but that's not me. This is a sweet red velvet pepper relish. Okay, cool. Oh, that'll be neat to try. Okay, habanada, no heat. Habanada, wonderful. This is what I was looking for right here. Can't wait to dig in and try these guys. Really looking forward to something good here. That's a salsa. That is a salsa right there, folks. A gold cayenne. Are you kidding me? I can't resist using that. And this holy moly. Oh, good grief. Well, this is it in the fresh selection that they sent me, and of course I have bag after bag after bag of these dried chilies like this. This shows right here, this shows magnificent selection. These folks have really been working hard, and they deserve credit and reward for their efforts, okay? So if you would, contact them, reach out to them. They have product. If you can get by there, that product is for sale, folks. They need your dollars and cents. You need your consideration and help. And I'm looking at this. Everything here is top quality. I haven't seen anything here that I would be angry about receiving in shipment. Not one item. This all looks good. Every bit of it looks clean. Let me open these up. This is a habanada. This guy. Oh, it has a really good smell to it and a very good feel, firm, plump. There is very little to no wilting on any of these. So this is a fantastic shipment and definitely worth working with. Hank, Louise, folks, thank you very much for this. I do appreciate you sending this to me, and I look forward to using this stuff, giving it a try. It's, man, this is an absolute blessing, and I thank you very, very, very much. Folks, thank you. Hank, Louise, and Henry, thank you. Thank you very much. This is a wonderful gift. I guess this is Merry Christmas for me, just a little bit early. There's some stuff here I'm really, really excited about and looking forward to. Not gonna lie to you, there's some stuff here that scares me. Okay, I mean, it's seriously hot stuff. You know, I know about scorpion chilies, I know about ghost peppers, I know Scotch bonnets, and I know the heat all three bring. Of course, some of those are very different on that heat scale, but they're all up there. Once you get into 6 or 7 digits on that Scoville scale, that just kind of blows it for me, at least. For a lot of other people, they would be just jumping on it. And I know some folks that are going to enjoy eating these. They really will. I'm going to enjoy experimenting with some of them. I'm going to make a chili with this. And if it works out, then Hank, Louise, Henry, we have something to discuss after that. So, right there, that's the magic baby right there, I believe. Okay. We'll see. After I taste it, I'll let you folks know. I'm looking forward to trying this stuff, and some of it I will not taste. So let's just be straight up here. And thank you very much for sending this. This is so cool. The product, I'm going to be straight up. The product is stellar quality. It really is. If you were worried about how it was going to look after a week in the mail, boom, this is it right here. It came out fine. Okay, so you get some idea of shipping control there. And one thing's for certain, the chilies are quite stable, so they will ship well, and they're not going to go bad on you too quick. Folks, thank you for watching this. If you would take a look right down underneath here in that description box, you're going to see some different links. One is to Texas Cooking Today. You're going to see my recipes. Got a lot of recipes. This is a video show where we do recipes and we do tutorials on those recipes. So you get two different kinds of videos. If you would take a look also, there's a link there for my website, and that's where you're going to buy my recipes, my shirts, caps, all of that stuff, also my prints, and locally for my services. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If there's anything I can do for you, you know how to contact me. Just go right to my About page. And thank you very much. I appreciate this right here. And folks, please have a good day. Bye-bye.